Hi, my name is Celeste Lemieux, and I was part of Group Baldwin 70 Sensible Sensors, and this is our round-by-round analysis. So, I was in charge of the marketing aspect of the project, and our group decided to go with high performance for our sensors. Move that down a little bit. Okay, so round one, as you can see, did not go well at all. We had to take out an emergency loan due to investment spendings and high inventory. In order to do better, round two, we decided to add a new product based on market performance. Round two, we still had a lot of inventory left over, and our stock price was very low. Thankfully, we did not need to take out another emergency loan. Future improvements, we wanted to sell all capacity in traditional market to focus on better performing segments. So with round three, unfortunately, we did have to take out another emergency loan, and we still had inventory left over in our high-end product line. The contribution margin started to look better at 30%. For future improvements, we wanted to increase the sales budget to be more competitive. So for round four, our profits were still on the red. Our stock was still low, but we did increase sales by 20 million, and our ROE increased from 51 to 19%. And then for future improvements, we did want to remove all HR expenses to help us raise profits. So round five, we finally see profit, and we have the highest market share in performance. Although it was only $1 million in profit, it was still the first round we were able to finally make a profit. Future improvements is we wanted to lower the price of our low end to regain market share. So for round six, the final round, we unfortunately still had too much inventory left in stock, and our profit margins ended poorly due to no automation updates for all of our other rounds. During round six, we did earn the highest profit based on the 5 rounds we did before. And then our stock price, as you can see, went from $11.33 to $18.77. And with this being the 6th and final round, we did not have any future improvements. So overall, our best decision was removing HR expenses and cost-cutting measures to increase profits. We had a great market share success in the lines. Our worst decision was removing the traditional product line, but overall we learned that we could have avoided some costly mistakes by using pro formas and inventory to calculate the necessary approach. Other than that, we were able to learn from our mistakes little by little each round and turn a profit, even if it was small. But with that, I am done. So thank you for your time.